Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So, back in November, near the end of November, I let you know that after installing Windows 11 version 24H2, that Microsoft had officially confirmed a known issue over on their Known Issues Health dashboard page, where you might experience issues discovering USB-connected devices that support the eSCL, which is short for eScanner Communication Language Scan Protocol. And you might observe that your device does not discover the USB-connected peripheral, and the device discovery does not complete. And this was also affecting some other USB-connected devices after installing Windows 11 24H2. Well, I have good news, and Microsoft now, yesterday on the 10th of December, has officially confirmed once again over on their Known Issues Health dashboard page that this issue was resolved with the Patch Tuesday updates that rolled out for Windows 11 24H2. And if we head to our Windows update, they are talking about this update, KB5048667. And the previous video on this topic and the update video I posted on this earlier today will be linked down below and in the end screen. So what Microsoft says is they recommend you install the latest security update, which is this update, for your device, as it contains important improvements and issue resolutions, including this one. Now, it's strange that that was not mentioned in the release notes for the update, but yet Microsoft has confirmed that over on their Known Issues Health dashboard page. And if you do install this update, they say the safeguard hold that was previously in place for this issue will be lifted in the coming days. But just take note, though, that once you install the Windows update addressing this issue, it may take up to 48 hours for Windows 11 version 24H2 update to be offered via Windows Update. And they also mention, and I also agree, that restarting your device, don't shut it down, restart your device, can obviously help hurry up and speed up the process. So if you had an upgrade block from 23H2 trying to get to 24H2, just make sure that you have installed the latest Patch Tuesday updates. And if you were on 24H2 and you were experiencing any issues regarding printers and USB devices, just make sure that you have that latest update, and that should resolve the issue. And just make sure you restart your device to quicken up and hurry up the process. And just on a side note, if you still want my personal opinion about 24H2, I personally recommend that you hold on installing 24H2 at this stage, and I have mentioned this quite a bit on the channel, even if you see it offered on your Windows Update page, because there are still a couple of niggly issues. Although if it is offered on your update page, according to Microsoft, it's safe to install. But I would hold off until at least March, April next year. Give it 6 months or so after the initial release to kind of stabilize and get the bugs ironed out, because 24H2 at the end of the day has been plagued with issues. So just giving you a heads up, that's what I would do. I installed 24H2 because of this channel. Obviously, I need to get videos out regarding that. But that's what I would do. Just hold off, because there are still a couple of known issues that are doing the rounds. And hopefully within the next couple of months in the new year, those would be sorted out. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.